Bonjour, hello, welcome to another video, MaxMountainWorld. Just on my way down to the very bottom of Les-Orres. Going to be meeting up with someone from the garage, ATAP Auto, who's coming up to do a repair on the brakes. Now I'll explain a bit more when I get there. Not too sure they're going to be happy with me doing a video on this, so I'll explain that one too. But yeah, we'll see how it happens, see what goes, and hopefully after 2 weeks I'm going to have the Saxo back on the road. So I've got the guy behind me now, just met up at an easy to find place. I don't know how familiar he is with Les-Orres. So yeah, it's a bit off the beaten track where the Saxo is stuck. So the story is, little by little, both cars, the Jaguar and the Saxo, I wanted to get them back up to spec by the end of the winter so that I'm prepared for road trips and all sorts of stuff. Just the odd little annoying things that have been going wrong. And one of the last things with the Saxo, I also did with previously with the Jag, was get the front discs replaced and new pads and stuff, which I did, but there was a little bit of a fault with the job, and basically one of the calipers fell off. So it's up to them to sort it out. I didn't want to move it. I had to move it one time because I was getting a bit threatened by some snow falling off a roof right above it. So I moved it about 10 meters, had to adapt something to keep that caliper in place so that I physically could move it. And as I say, just been waiting 2 weeks now. So we're a bit off the beaten track, as I say, down by the lodgings, the specific lodging building for staff down here. So there's 2 or 3 of them, and this one's a new one straight ahead of us, but the front door is round the other side. So I'm now gonna take this guy down here, see what he's got to do, throw a camera around, see if we can get it sorted, take it for a test drive, more importantly, after he's sorted out whatever's to be sorted out. Apparently the 2 weeks wait was waiting for the parts, i.e. the 2 bolts, and there's the Saxo on the right there. It's a little gadget there just to block the caliper in place, so I moved it, because before it was parked down here, and you can see where snow's been falling down from that roof. It was threatening, so I didn't want any more damage done. Ouais.
Vous voyez là, ça le vert,
Ouais.
c'est du comment on appelle ça, c'est du frein filé,
oui,
pour
oui,
nous en
oui,
français.
oui, oui.
C'est pour éviter que ça se desserre.
Oui, oui, oui.
Et en fait, à force de démonter, remonter le boulon,
Oui,
ça
oui.
s'est enlevé. Et vous voyez sur le neuf,
Ah oui, oui.
voilà la différence.
Ok, voilà.
Et en fait, c'est ça, on les change franchement jamais.
Oui, oui.
Et là, je pense qu'il devait
Oui,
en
comme ça
manquer
risque
sur l'autre.
peut-être le couloir était cassé.
Voilà.
Oui.
Et je pense que il devait en manquer beaucoup. Et
Ouais.
du coup, il a dû se desserrer tout simplement.
Ok,
Donc là, les neufs, ils en
Cool.
ont plein. Là, ils sont serrés, donc pas de souci.
ouais.
Et puis voilà, hein.
Bon.
On va contrôler l'autre côté.
Oui, oui. So, looks like that's done. He's going to check the other side as well, just to make sure, because obviously both were done at the same time. Hopefully we don't have an error both ways. I didn't feel anything in the brakes, but it was when I gave the car to a friend for the weekend, and a half hour later he called and said, oh, the car won't move. Uh-oh. Okay, so hopefully it's going to be okay, then we'll take it a test drive. That's a quick video on the update on the Saxo today. Thanks very much for watching. Okay, test time. Well, the brakes work. Les freins marchent. No hands. Mais je pense, on est d'accord. Okay, all is good. So all is good, back in the Jag. The chap just gave me a run up the road, or I drove the Saxo up the road, he's given me a run back down the road. I got an opportunity to give it a good rise, get it up to a decent speed and apply the brakes, and they're fine so far, touch wood. So yeah, they've been pretty good about it, I've been pretty good with them about it. It's my favourite garage, little mistake. I can't really hold that against them. All the times that they've done fantastic work, and yeah, I think it was a trainee and something let slip in the supervision side of things. We're all human, we're all susceptible to error. The Latin would be nemo mortalium omnibus horis sapit. No mortal is at all times wise. Right, so yeah, quite happy. Both cars back running again, and yeah, as I say, I've been wanting to get them up to a spec where they're kind of as good as new sort of thing. Obviously older cars, but got some plans for some road trips coming off in a few weeks time and stuff, so keep subscribing, keep putting likes on and stuff, keep encouraging me, and that's it again. Thanks again for watching, for putting up with my rants and my mini rants and stuff like that. So yeah, love that sound.